Okay, so we're going to do a bay park today. So what we've got to do, we've got to establish a target bay. So basically what we do, we get at 90 degrees to the bays. If you can look at the overhead camera, you'll be able to see that the car is 90 degrees over the bay. And what I tend to do is teach, if you can get the front of your handle there, this part of the handle in line with the white line of a bay, and then count back 3 spaces. So we're going to count back 3. So 1, 2, 3. So the third space will be our target bay. Okay, so you obviously got to make sure there's no one in that bay. Now a good distance to be from the bays is about a car width, if you can. So from the end of the bay to where the car is about a car width. So you got a turning arc then. So obviously when you come round, you're not going to be cutting into the front of the bay if there's any cars around, so you will come in straight. So first things first, what we're going to do, we're going to get into reverse gear, okay, because I've got my reference point already done. So into reverse, we're going to find our bite, and then obviously we're going to make sure it's nice and safe, so we're going to do all our observations. Now we're in reverse, we start from our right hand shoulder, work all the way around, making sure there's no one about. So as I've looked, there's no one about, we've got our bite. Okay, now once I've got the bite, okay, what I'll do is I'll release the handbrake, and as soon as the car starts to move, I will turn the steering wheel to full lock, all the way to full lock, quite quickly, nice and briskly. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make all my observations, I'm going to release the handbrake, get the car moving, and then turn the steering wheel all the way to full lock. Okay, then once I'm at full lock, I'm going to make sure I look in my blind spot, can see there's no cars coming, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my mirrors as a reference now. Okay, so as I come round, you'll be able to see that the car is coming nice and straight into the bay. And as soon as we're nice and straight, nice and parallel with the white lines, what we're going to do, we're going to straighten the wheel. So that part of the wheel goes past your knees twice. So once, twice, okay, and then we're nice and straight. We can see we're inside the white lines. So we're going to have a look behind, because obviously that's the direction in which we're going to go. Okay, and then have a quick look over your right shoulder, make sure we're not going to hit the curb, and then straighten up. Okay, and then handbrake on, into neutral, and that's your bay park. Okay, cheers, thanks.